Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Our seasoning mix for smoky barbecue fajitas has a unique blend of cayenne pepper, garlic and ginger. All you have to do is add the chicken, crunchy peppers, and onion and sizzle away. Once cooked, simply wrap up in a warm tortilla and add our Old El Paso thick and chunky salsa. Then, let the Mexican fiesta begin.
Let's help you make your mark.
Tender pieces of smoky barbecue chicken in a toasty oven-baked flour tortilla, packed with crunchy peppers and fried onions. Add a few lashings of thick and chunky salsa, a dollop of soured cream and of course, don't forget your napkins.
Take our lead.
Chili pepper, maltodextrin, salt, onion powder, spice, cornstarch, sea salt, potassium magnesium chloride, salt. Contains 2% or less of vegetable oil, canola, high oleic soybean and/or sunflower oil, corn flour, silicon dioxide, anti-caking agent, citric acid, sugar, natural flavor.
Let's help you make your mark.
In fact, forget about the tortilla altogether and make your taco more of a salad or even a sizzling fajita, and you'll save the carb calories from the taco shell. Fajitas, actually, can be quite healthy. Ask your server to load your dish up with vegetables and ask for chicken or fish for your meat. 8 January 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Maltodextrin, cornstarch, salt, chili pepper, sugar. Contains 2% or less of spice, vegetable oil, canola, soybean and/or sunflower, onion powder, silicon dioxide, anti-caking agent, garlic powder, natural flavor.
Let's help you make your mark.
1 pound ground beef, at least 80% lean, 2/3 cup water. 1 package, 1 ounce, Old El Paso Original Taco Seasoning Mix. 1 package, 4.7 ounces, Old El Paso Stand-in Stuffed Taco Shells, 10 shells, heated as directed on package.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.